How to get Soundboard on Gorilla Tag Oculus without a PC. So if you're looking for a way for you to do this, what you can do first is to enable the developer mode. To install custom APKs or standalone apps, you need to enable developer mode on your Oculus Quest. So open the MetaQuest app on your phone, connect your Quest 2 and go to settings and then tap your headset and then enable developer mode. Now, SideQuest is a must-have tool for side-loading apps on your Quest 2. So download the SideQuest app from the official website on your phone and then follow the instructions to pair it with your Quest 2. It's quick and painless. Now download a Soundboard APK. Search for trusted APKs and be cautious about where you download APK, so stick to reputable sources only. Now, once you have found an APK you want to download, install it via SideQuest. So open SideQuest on your phone, use the install APK from file option to upload it to your Quest. Wait for the installation to complete and then launch and test your Soundboard. And that is how to get Soundboard on Gorilla Tag Oculus No PC.